8वीं बार रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ. 8वीं नहीं, 5th time I'm recording this just because I'm not liking the length of the video, and everyone who are seeing my videos, my viewers are telling me that I talk too much. So I'm going to reduce the talking. So I'm going to quickly tell you what I'm going to do in this video. So this is a Saturday night. I have worked all day. I am co-heading a subcommittee in a college event, doing sponsorship work basically, and that's what I've been doing the whole day this Saturday, like meetings, and a little bit work here and there. And I will record that event if the heads allow me to. Second, tomorrow is a Sunday and I am going to have something very, very eventful. And then the rest of the week also I will record because I won't stop there, and I want y'all to increase your attention span by seeing my brain rot. So I will not post small videos, okay? That is not my thing. Watch my whole vlog and watch my whole week, not just the weekend and the fun parts, understand? But having said that, we're going to have a very, 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 very fun Sunday tomorrow. It's going to start at 8 a.m. We're going to play pickleball with friends, and I suck at it, but it's okay. What are you going to do about it? It's fun. First time playing with my friends. Before that, I've played with my cousins and I've played with my friends' friends. And then we are going to see Sada Pyar. We're going to see AP Dhillon in person, his concert. All my friends, too much fun I'm having. I feel like Jan and Feb are really going to rip me apart, but it's okay. We will have fun till it lasts. Okay? Yeah. Work hard, play hard. You did not see the work hard part yet, that I did all year long. So please do not judge me and say कि ये तो पैसे ही बर्बाद करती है और यही करती रहती है. It's not your issue. I work hard and my parents are very happy with my work. Just saying. Anyways, we're going to have like a very fun week and especially fun Sunday. It's going to be fun. My outfit's going to be very cute. AP Dhillon is going to be just like AP Dhillon. He's my top 2 artist. Last year I went to see iPhone की storage मेरे जान लेके मानेगा guys, but I was saying that last year I went for my top 1 played artist का concert, which is Ojilani Ojila, and this time I am fortunate enough, same time next year I'm going to watch AP Dhillon, and it's just crazy, and life is just blessing me for whatever crazy stuff that it gave me. It's compensating. Low battery, it's okay. So yeah, and I'm going to get a workout in. I'm going to complete my work. I'm going to like be a little productive this night. I have 2-3 hours, and then I can have guilt-free fun tomorrow. So yeah, and I will insert a clip of me working out. I will insert a clip of me hosting a meeting. Yeah, that's it. See you on the other side. Have fun. Not responsibility, but we're giving you leeway to talk and negotiate and learn for yourself. ये नहीं कि you'll just get the sponsor and then we'll manage after that if they show interest. We are genuinely wanting you also to be involved, talk to them a little bit, and when it comes to a certain point, then we will take it from there. But till then, as to the guy who's giving us 40,000, it is not going to be the same because someone is paying less and someone is our title sponsor, someone is our co-sponsor. There's going to be a difference between the two. Because they are giving different kinds of money, we give them different kinds of deliverables. That is different kind of marketing. Now I saw निकल चुके हैं सुबह कितने बजे 9 बजे होगी, ठंड हो रही है, शॉर्ट्स पहन के बिल्कुल फौलादियों की तरह क्रिकेट जस्ट अरे भाई सुंदर लगने चाहिए. बाद में मैं सुबह इसका भाई उठ जा. कभी मैं जो नहीं उठती, मैं 12 बजे मेरी गुड मॉर्निंग होती है, तो इसको भाई 8 बजे आज भी मैंने नहीं उठाया. चलो ठीक है, अब खेलेंगे मम्मी पापा थोड़ा अंदर देखने गए और बस हम 3 मिनट लेट है, तो ऐसे थोड़ा दिमाग दिल में खल रहा है. बट हम आ गए हैं पिकल नहीं पैडल बॉल खेलने, क्योंकि जो शुभकर्मन कौर गुजराल है उन्होंने पैडल बॉल बुक किया है जो हमने जीवन में नहीं खेला. नॉट दैट हम पिकल बॉल के कोई एक्सपर्ट मास्टर स्थानीय मिर्जा रहने वाले हैं, बट इट्स लिटिल मोर इनकन्वीनियंट आई फील. और हम इतना गंदा खेल रहे हैं, मैं क्या ही बताऊँ, देखने लायक भी नहीं है. हम इस पॉइंट पे हम अलग अलग कोर्ट पे थे. अब हम 6 लोग थे, हमने कहा 2 लोगों के साथ हो तो नहीं था. नेक्स्ट में 6 लोग आ जाते हैं कोर्ट में। जरा आप देख रहे हो हम कितने ही कोई इलिटरेट हो सकता है, वो इतने इलिटरेट हैं कि हम 6 लोग खेल रहे हैं एक कोर्ट पे अब। और मेरे को लग रहा है कि मैं बिल्कुल ही अंधों में काना ला जाऊँ, क्योंकि मेरी 6 साल की जो टेनिस मैंने फेल करा है। मैं 6 साल टेनिस की ट्रेनिंग करती थी, मुझसे आगे जो मेरे बैच के थे वो नेशनल लेवल प्लेयर बन गए थे और मैं उनके साथ बच्चों के साथ ही अटक गई थी। जस्ट बाय द वे क्या कि भैया आके मुझसे पूछने लगे आप खेलते क्या हो एक्चुअली, और मैं उनको अपनी रामकथा यही समझा रही थी। जस्ट बाय द वे क्या है इसमें। चलो ठीक है, अब हम खेलेंगे थोड़ा और, जरा देखते हैं क्या होता है। अब कोर्ट बुक कराया तो कुछ तो करके जाएगा। मेरे को लग रहा है अब पॉइंट का बना देना चाहिए ताकि लोग सीरियसली लें हमारे गेम को। हम 6 लोग हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई दिस द फिट एंड आई एम गोना लाइक रिकॉर्ड रील बिकॉज आज शाम को हम जा रहे हैं AB तिल्लों। मैंने कहा ये पैडल वॉल खेलने का कुछ तो फ़ायदा उठाने के लिए कोई क्रिएटिव सी रील बनाऊँगी और डाल दूँगी। टाइम ही टाइम है भाई, आज संडे क्या दिक्कत है। ओके सी भाई ने दूसरे कोर्ट में ही फेंक दिया है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। इक्वली हॉरेबल खेल रहे हैं सब लोग, इक्वली हॉरेबल। 3 लोग हैं कोर्ट में। बार कौन सा वाला? ये हो बदल कर दे बाल खराब तुसी लब दे किते जनाब टेक टू बैक किते नी उंदा दिल विच वज मेरे रबाब। ओ चंबड़ा दे काड़ जे मचाउंदी बार बार मुंडियां दा वैरी ते खानक हते कड़वाड़ी करनी सुन यार दी निशानी चट्टी चुम चुम एक नाड़े लाई फिरती। यस हाय फ्रेंड्स लग रही है और उसके सामने बैटरी कितनी कम लग रही है। क्यों लग रहे हो? आंखें बंद करोगे तो और दिखेगा। रिमेंबर बी सेफ, रिमेंबर एंड फॉलो नेचुरल ब्यूटी। ने क्या बोला? If you like the show, you don't like the show, you like me and RJ GNIE on Instagram, Facebook or X. Yes. Sorry, Rikya. Whenever you see this, love you. Podcast मस्ती और इतना बड़ा मैसेज क्या मिलेगा? नहीं, I love you a lot. Whenever you see this. Blockbuster Sunday only on गुस्सा मत करो मुझे। नमस्ते, हम हैं लाइन में भाई। एपी भाई आप लोग कॉल करे जा रहे हो, आप सामने आ जाओ ना। I think AP is getting a little nervous, so he's बार trying to like contact me and he's like I'm getting a little nervous and like are you there? I hope everyone cheers. So I'm like bro chill, everyone's gonna cheer for you and if no one cheers I'm right here भाई, don't take tension. तो AP come fast यार, come fast यार। 8 बजने वाले हैं, AP आने वाला है। Are you excited? हर कॉन्सर्ट के बाद यही दिक्कत होती है कि कोई मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है, तो अब हम वेट कर रहे हैं, चिप्स खा रहे हैं, कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी रहे हैं ताकि कोई गाड़ी आए या फिर ले जाए. ओके, बस ये था. हाय, दिख नहीं रही. मेरे को भी लो. हाय. Okay, so the update is that we went for AP and it was great and the concert was amazing, and we got an auto and there were 6 of us, and then we came home and then we were really tired. Then we went to college, then I was doing my event at work, whatever, and now I'm going. Now it's 5 p.m. and the college has left us like now. No, the college has left me now, and the work is still not done, but okay. And I'm really tired and I'm sick also because my throat is hurting like a very badly. And now I'm going to see my sister and my bua and my cousin Dadi, who live quite far. So I'm going to take a metro. Yeah. So I'm taking an auto to the metro station and then I'm going to take a metro to their house. Then I'm going to have their methi aloo and khichdi so that my throat feels a little better. And I get good food for a change. Yeah. And then that's it. I'm going to see them. Then tomorrow I have a little more work, little more submissions. I have to figure out my syllabus and my study plan for the year. Academic semester. And then that's it. Then I need to pack and I need to sort the house completely and clean it completely, after which I can pack my bags and go to my Nanihal. दोस्तों, मित्रों, फ्रेंड्स, हम उतर चुके हैं रूबी हॉल मेट्रो स्टेशन पे और केसर होगी नीचे. मुझे में 2 कौड़े का कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था कि मैं मेट्रो में व्लॉगिंग करूँ, है ना, क्योंकि सारे अंकल मेरे को ऐसे ऐसे देख रहे थे, ऐसे ऐसे. ये कौन, ये क्या है, ये क्या है, ये को है. बस अभी केसर आएगी, ले जाएगी, थोड़ा फील गुड. दैट्स इट. सी यू. ऐसा लग रहा है मकसद पूरा करने आई है. धीरे बात कर लो. I am editing this vlog and my throat hurts a lot because I'm very sick. I haven't gone to college also today. Okay, bye. Hope you liked it. Like, share, subscribe. Bye. I'm about to upload this, but before I do, I just want to make one thing very clear. Not that anyone cares, but I do not show my non-glamorous parts on the internet for obvious reasons. Not for obvious reasons, but just because I don't want to. I just have a very bad throat infection and cold, and I have fever, and I'm on antibiotics. I cleared all my birthday ka decoration, which was a lot, with my roommate, and mopped and broomed the house, all while being sick. And this is not the first time I've done it. I've put my hands in drains, in sinks, in toilets, done all kinds of household chores, washed bartan, and I do it like quite often. Not that I've done it once in a blue moon, because people house help tend to take a lot of days off, and then you do not stay in a mess because you've been brought up in a certain way and you need clean space, and then thus you have to do it yourself. So do not presume that this is all what you see on the internet is what it is, and this is all while being a law student, by the way, and this is great. Yeah, so everyone has real problems and real life stuff to do, and do not equate what you see in a 15-minute video to one's whole life. Just by the way, because I was just mopping and my nose was dripping and I was dying, and I had to still clear everything because and I had to still clear everything because I'm leaving. So I just wanted to put this out too.